Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable watermark on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. To do that, we're gonna have to open the camera application on this device and then tap the arrow icon at the bottom of any mode that you have selected on in your camera. Then tap the gear icon to open settings, and then in settings, in photo mode, to enable watermark, select watermark menu and then switch this toggle to the right. Then you'll be able to select what your watermark should look like. So here you have two types of watermark, either the film frame or the regular one. You can allow the time, device model. Here you can add some custom text, and you can change the position of the watermark, choosing between bottom or top. And that's basically it. Once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied. And now let's see what the photo with the watermark looks like. So we have just taken the photo, and here it is. As you can see, here we have the watermark in both the left and the right bottom corners of the photo. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.